to the channel. First thing I want to start by saying I'm sorry. I am sorry because I've been busy, very busy, ever since COVID-19 started and everything. But, work, constant work, picked up another job. But to get back on this video subject, you already know. The black girl, she's coming out the park. She's filthy right now. I ain't gonna lie. I'll get that out the way right now. See that? She's filthy right now. But I'm on some cosmetic things and appearance. So first thing first, I want to say I ordered these off of eBay. jdmtoy.com if y'all want to go to that. And these is the fog lights, 8000K. So I wanted to see how that aqua look would be. I already installed the harness already. My GoPro battery is just seemed like it's shot. I don't have no charger for it, so therefore I have to order it offline. So right now I am actually recording with my phone. But what's an iPhone good for anyway, other than just calling and texting? But I'm about to start this video off with my light bezels. So my tail light bezels and everything, gotta get that chrome out. It is yuck. It's a black car. Why not black? I can see if it was chrome with blue, chrome with yellow, but nah, chrome with black do not go that good to me. So therefore, ordered these also off of eBay and everything. So we're gonna get the finishing touches on that. We're gonna see how that go. And also, I want to start with the tools that you'll be needing to do, your fog light install and everything. So I gotta get rid of that yellow. The halogen yellow is yuck too. I hate that. So, oh, just look at them. 6th gen wheels on 5th gen. Gives me so much joy. But this is a T20 Torx bit. I got this little shorty. Yeah, this little shorty from Craftsman. And they got the 3 slots, if y'all didn't know already. Or for all my Camaro enthusiasts, they got 3 slots to hold this fender well. And we're gonna unscrew that, take that halogen light out, unsnap, put the new one in, snap, easy, seal all 3 back up in, easy peasy. Sounds very easy, but until you actually gotta do it. Self-experience is the best experience. That's what I've been told. So let me get on this video right here. Also, made a shocking discovery. Whenever you taking, your 3 little rivets out, this first one actually has a turn where you can actually match it up. See how y'all got this? You can actually match it up, turn, and just pull out. Simple. I'm over here struggling with it, but take that off. You got your little 4 clamps back here that you got to take off. Just that's what's actually securing the light. So you push down, push out. Damn, I need me a prop for real. This is beyond me right now. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna show y'all before and after. As y'all can see, this before, that's gonna be after. It's about to be magic. Okay, quick. All right, the chromeness is gone. As y'all can see, there's a total of 6 clamps. 3 on the top, 3 around. And it all goes in around the bezel. So with that being said, I found the easier way. Instead of just, prying back there, I actually got my little tool, a little short, snubby flathead here. So now it's so easy just to install the regular lights. Y'all get a preview. Without, with. Without, with. Y'all see it. Well, let's start with this. I'm gonna get a proper song. All right. As y'all can see, 1, 2, and 3 down there. I don't think y'all gonna see the last one because I got this Phone between my legs. Holding it on my knee. So, let's see. Alright. That's what. Like I said, another process. Let me just show y'all. Let me see. Alright. Can't get locked up. Alright, there we go. I really like this time. All I gotta do is use 2 fingers. 2 fingers, whole time, make it easier. Like I'm throwing my fastball. Just in case y'all ain't know, I used to play baseball. Everything except pitcher and catcher. Don't judge me, cause I still strike y'all out. So, that being said, I got it. Clean the well up. Ooh-wee. Alrighty. As y'all can see in there, this right there. Gonna take that out. Alright. You push to the left, turn to the left. The little bulb will come out. There you go. Take the little bulb out. You really don't want to get your fingerprints on the bulb. With that being said, my fingertips is dirty. Mess with this. So you push the little clamp that's holding the fog lights in. Voila, come out so easy. 1, 2, 3. Find a nice little safe spot to put it on. You never know, you may need them again. So 8,000K. There we go. Alrighty, same process. Find the male or female. Press the clamp up. Insert. Had it wrong. Alright. Insert. Easy. If you don't hear a snap and you was holding the clamp up, that might be the reason why you don't hear a snap. But make sure you safe and secure and put that fog light back in, because the clearance space is not large at all. So in order to put your light safely back in, push in, turn to the right. Easy. All right, let me test it out. So we're gonna test this out right quick. Easy way to test it out. If you have your harness installed, come into it, your cockpit, 1 over. As you can see, it's on. I can see how vivid it is right now. So 8,000K, my halo. You already know what that is. That's bright white. So with that being said, install that firmly. All right. Oh, hope y'all like that. Just got the 5%. I had to rip up the 18%. I'm sorry I ain't show y'all, but 5%, 35% up here. So 5, 5, 5, 35. I'll take y'all on a night cruise one day. Just don't feel like it right now, because I have to go to my other job tonight. So prop this right back up. I'm surprised I had it the first time. Come on. Come on. There we go. All right. Find your holes. For my male listeners, if y'all can't find a hole, it's all right. It's all right. One day y'all will. One day. I ain't gonna give up on y'all. Well, I'm sorry. Look like I ain't be able to find a hole, right? I'm making jokes. If you don't find it right the first time, just simply take it out. Start by hand tightening before you actually put the tool on it. You do not want to strip this. Let me see. I'm gonna start somewhere where I can actually see it. right, there we go. I got it started. Simple. Simple. Right back to tight. You're gonna feel when it actually get tight, because it's gonna really tight. It's gonna really tighten up on you for real. Hand tighten, get it started. Once you get it started, then you go tool work. Let the tool do the work. Man, my neighbors is actually jamming over there. They cutting up. I see you, neighbor. I see you, baby. I see you. Hitting them oldies but goodies. I don't know if y'all hear that, but I gotta most definitely put that in the comments. I do not own the rights to none of these songs that's playing in my background. I promise. It's not even me, y'all. YouTube, do not defund me from this. So, like I say, easy peasy. 1, 2, 3. On to the next. Look at that face. Y'all see that gorgeous face, huh? I know y'all like it. I know you like it. But look at it. All right. That being said, we got our wheel turned to this way. I could do it. You know what? I am gonna do it. I'm just not gonna show y'all this one. As y'all seen, y'all already get the picture of it. How to do it. Please do not do that. That's number 3. Don't judge me. Like I said, hectic work schedule. Working non-stop, crazy. All right. So that being said, y'all see that? See how to do that? See my tail? Glossy black. Gotta get rid of the chrome. I'm thinking about debadging my SS. Debadging the Chevy sign. Matter of fact, I might just debadge the bow tie. Or if not, I'm gonna blacken it out. To keep that red. Red my favorite color. But just in case y'all didn't know, that's Inferno Orange. Well, like I said, I'm outie. Your boy Bezel is out. And matter of fact, if I didn't, let me start by saying I am so proud to finally say I'm in the 100 club. I know all y'all YouTubers that made it big now all of a sudden, but it's all right. Do not rain on the small guys parade. I will be up there one day. You know, it's only a process. Trust in the process, and y'all, outie.